Ashama hordoftoota keenya. This is the second season of Kaku Presents Afaan Oromoo Lessons. Lesson 11, Emotions. In this lesson, we'll be talking about emotions. But first and foremost, emotions are called Mira in Afaan Oromoo. Next, we shall review the different types of emotions people experience on a daily basis, followed by their Afaan Oromoo translations accordingly. Dinqisiifannaa, admiration. Jaalala, love. Gammachuu, happiness. Aarii, anger. Cinqii, anxiety. Dinqamuu, wonderment. Nuffii, boredom. Qabbana, calmness. Jibba, hate. Dhukkuba, pain. Soda, fear. Gadda, sadness. We shall now look at some demonstrations using the aforementioned emotional expressions. Example 1. Ani nan gammada. I am happy. Ati ni gammadda. You are happy. Please notice the nuances in pronunciation when using the emotional expression, which in this case is happy, in reference to oneself or another person. Example 2. Inni ni dinqisifata. He admires. Isheen ni dinqisifatti. She admires. The earlier nuances in pronunciation also apply here. Example 3. Ani nan jaalladha. I love. Ati ni jaalatta. You love. Like the two earlier examples, the nuances in pronunciation also occur in this third example. This will be the end of the lesson 11 with regards to emotional expressions in Afaan Oromoo. Thank you as always for joining Kaku for yet another round of Kaku Presents Afaan Oromoo Lessons. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to email us at kakucollective@gmail.com. You can also find us at Kaku Official on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Thank you. Nagatti.